Petopia.
An initiative by Sakar Media.
This is a brand new show. It's called Petopia. Every Saturday mornings, हम बातें करेंगे about pets. We're going to talk about our furry friends and we're going to talk about how we can look after them better. आणि त्याबरोबर of course आपण भरपूर असे experts घेऊन आलेलो आहोत तुमच्यासाठी so that you can also get better prepared in case you're planning on getting a pet. You can be better prepared to have pets at home. उनकी grooming, उनके साथ कैसे डील करना है, ये सारी बातें करेंगे in Petopia. मेरे साथ इनफैक्ट आज के शो पे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सी पर्सनालिटी है. 20 years का एक्सपीरियंस है. ही इज अ वेट फिजिशियन एंड सर्जन, डॉक्टर त्रिभुवन कटरे. डॉक्टर, वेलकम टू द शो.
थँक्यू.
कसे आहात तुम्ही?
गुड.
आणि पेटोपियामध्ये तुमचं पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत आहे. आणि इतकं छान वाटतंय मला. इनफॅक्ट आय एम अ ह्यूज डॉग लवर. आय लव्ह डॉग्स. आणि माझ्याकडे पेट तर नाही आहे, पण आपण तुमच्याबरोबर भरपूर पेट्सबद्दल गप्पा मारणार आहोत. ओके, आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस? ओके, सगळ्यात आधी तर मला सांगा, तुमचा 20 वर्षांचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे. तेव्हाचे पेट ओनर्स आणि आजच्या पेट ओनर्समध्ये काय फरक वाटतो तुम्हाला?
दोन खूप मेजर फरक आहे.
ओके.
जेव्हा आम्ही प्रॅक्टिस सुरू केली बिफोर 20 years,
या
तर ॲट द टाइम पेट्स आर कीपिंग ॲज अ गार्डनिंग.
राईट
सम पीपल दे हॅव अ पेट ॲज अ लाइकिंग.
राईट.
बट नाव इज चेंज्ड. नाव द पेट्स हॅव एंटर्ड इन द होल रूम, bedroom,
हा
in everywhere. So they are now the family member.
बरोबर.
So the major changes we see from last 20 years and now.
Absolutely. How different has it been 20 years ago in the vet sort of technology? Was there enough medication, medicines, tools, equipment? Tell us a little bit about your initial journey.
So many things are there. As like that before when we started the practice,
Yeah.
before 20 years.
Yeah.
So if any case come to us, more or less it is going towards the clinical diagnosis.
Okay.
When the pet come to us, we go for clinical diagnosis, clinical history from the owners.
Right.
And we take out our diagnostic tool and we go for diagnostic and pinpointing the disease and
Correct.
treatment.
Correct.
Now is changed, the time is changed, and now the people come with the good history.
बरोबर.
Now we have the good improved diagnostic tools,
Right.
as like the sonography,
Yeah.
ECG. We have the X-ray. We have the endoscope,
Correct.
gastroscope.
Right.
Snap tests are available.
Right.
So many diagnostic tests are available.
Correct.
So due to that, what happens? We can diagnose the disease before it's showing clinical signs,
Right.
and which is very good for the results as well
Absolutely.
treatment wise.
Absolutely. बहुत सारे पेट पेरेंट्स हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम पेट पेरेंट्स हैं. उनके लिए थोड़ा सा अपन बात करते हैं.
It is a
conversation.
very good question you ask me.
Yeah.
Because so many times we come up with some people they get the pet
Right.
without planning.
आणि अगदीच म्हणजे they've never had a pet in their house even while growing up.
Correct.
Suddenly there's a couple who live together and now they want to have a pet.
Correct.
What is the first thing that before they even get a pet that they should have in mind की हे असायलाच हवं?
See, first of all, I suggest the people ki when they plan for a pet,
हो.
first go to the vet.
Right.
There, ask him, go for his this consultation.
Right.
Ask him ki we want to pet.
Yeah.
So many people to come to us, they get a pet 1 month before, 2 months before, or
Yeah.
they get the pet and when the pet get ill, they come to
Then they
vet
come
for the
to you.
treatment.
Correct.
Sometimes we lose the pet also due to that.
Yeah.
So my first suggestion, when the people come to me and ask me, doctor, we are going for the pet.
Yeah.
So my first question is why you want to keep a pet.
Okay.
So if I find really they are the pet lover,
Yeah.
they have the
What is
affect-
the right answer to this question, doctor?
Yeah. If they have a compensation for a pet,
Companionship.
तो
Yeah.
they can go for
Correct.
it. If they say कि नहीं सर मेरे बाजू वाले के पास पेट है तो I want a pet, I
बाप
say
रे.
don't. Someone say कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा घर में अकेला रहता है I want a pet, I say
अरे बाप रे.
don't.
Yeah.
Someone say कि सर नहीं मुझे I want is a luxury, I want to keep a pet,
Correct.
I say don't.
Correct.
So the very simple answer I have कि see when you are going with traveling with a car or moving in the city and you or your daughter, son, whoever, when you see any stray dog
Yeah.
or any cow or any animal
Yeah.
and she has a smile on her face,
Right.
it is time to you have some affection toward the pet.
Correct.
So
correct.
that thing is very important.
बिल्कुल.
Other things are very negligible. You can, and the second thing is time.
Yeah.
You have everything and you have not even time. So
Yeah.
it is trouble for you and trouble for pet too.
बिल्कुल. पैसा जितना भी हो, टाइम बहुत
Time
जरूरी
is
है.
important.
टाइम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपके पास वो होना चाहिए अपने पेट के लिए. डॉक्टर जरा बताइए, व्हेन यू गेट अ पेट एट होम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हाट आर द डूज एंड डोंट्स? क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? पहले महीने में कितना क्रूशल होता है द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग अ पेट होम?
First month is more important for the
Right.
grown up of the pet.
Right.
Because when we जब भी आप पेट लेके आते हैं घर पे तो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट इज द पेट रिक्वायरमेंट.
Right.
पेट को क्या चलता है क्या नहीं चलता,
Yeah.
क्या खाने देना चाहिए. कि मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस कम अप इधर के भी नया पेट लेके आए हैं
जी.
तो ड्यू टू एंथुसियाज्म दे गिव द मोर फूड.
Right.
Puppy don't know how much they need and they eat
Correct,
more. They
correct.
start at the gastric trouble.
Yes.
One thing is that. Second thing हमारे पास बहुत सारे ये आता है कि भाई पेट है, डॉग है, कैट है, they need milk.
Correct.
तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी कहते हैं लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस केसेस
Yeah.
बिकॉज पेट नीड डॉग नीड द मिल्क ऑफ द बीच मदर मिल्क.
Yeah.
Dog mother milk.
Correct.
Cat need the milk from the cat. Kitten milk they need from the cat.
Correct.
Is not from the cow milk or buffalo milk. And we people go for the cow milk and buffalo milk, which they are not
yeah.
able to digest.
Correct. Correct.
And the problem starts from there.
बाप रे.
So first they have to go for the mother milk, and if they are win
Right.
the puppy, mother से बाहर लेके आए तो mother तो मिलेगा नहीं.
Correct.
So they can go for the easy digestible food as like the Semolec, whatever the food available, winning food we say,
Okay,
and
okay.
number of brands are available in
Right,
market. So
right.
they can go for any brand which is
Okay.
suit to the particular age of the puppy.
Right.
So
right.
that is important
Right,
thing.
right,
So they have to avoid the going milk. One thing is that
Right.
about the food, puppy don't know how much they need. So
Correct.
don't go for overfeed.
Yeah.
Which second thing is that.
Yeah.
Third thing is that when you get a pet, so think you are getting a one life.
Correct.
It is not a toy.
Yeah.
कि मतलब बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे आए इसमें पकड़ा खेले हैं और they
हाँ.
गिरा देते हैं. तो
Yeah.
is a toy is a life.
Yeah.
So that's why you consider the difference between toy and life. So
Correct.
just keeping a pet, food is important, management important thing.
Yeah.
Third thing is that by selecting the breed,
Yeah.
तो what type of breed you can have a home
Correct.
size is how much.
Yes.
अगर आपका छोटा घर है तो go for the small breed, बड़ा घर है
Yes.
तो you can go for the bigger breed also.
Right. Right.
तो because we find that कि 1 BHK में people they go for Rottweiler.
Correct.
तो it is not a good for comfortable for the particular pet also.
Yes.
So
yes.
they should think कि भी how much the pet need the space
Correct.
and how much additional space you have.
Yes.
Then go for the pet.
Absolutely. You know, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि when you bring the pet at home, people are not aware of vaccinations. I know for a fact कि हमारे building में कोई है जिन्होंने they got a really cute stray indie dog और उनको इतना भी पता नहीं था कि इंजेक्शंस का एक डोज होता है जैसे व्हेन यू गेट अ न्यूबॉर्न बेबी जैसा इंजेक्शंस का वैक्सीनेशंस का डोजेस होते हैं उनको ही नहीं पता. तो आप ज़रा बताएंगे कि इज़ देयर अलग ब्रीड के अलग वैक्सीनेशन टाइप्स रहते हैं या हर डॉग के लिए there is a vaccination schedule? Is there?
No, there is no any breed specific vaccination schedule.
Okay.
Is a age related vaccination schedule.
Achha.
As per the dog canine, there are different schedules. As a schedule is there, कि they start the vaccination at 30-35 days for the first vaccine.
Okay.
Because we come across the so many cases of parvo in
Right.
early age.
Right.
So which is one of the major mortality in the pets.
Right.
So that vaccine has to do at 30-35 days.
हाँ.
Then at the 6th week of it, we say core vaccines. There are
Correct.
the DHPPL canine corona.
Right.
These are the different vaccines at 6 week, 9 week, 12 weeks.
Okay.
These are the schedules. But
Okay.
the 30th day vaccine is more important
Okay.
because at that time the puppy has the immunity has to develop.
Right.
Because the diseases start at the 1.5 to 2 months.
Right.
If you vaccinate at the proper time,
Right.
so it safeguard your puppy more than 80-90%.
Correct. Correct.
And if that vaccine has not done and we start the vaccination late,
Yeah.
so sometime vaccination time collapse with the infection time.
Correct.
And
Correct.
the vaccine failure is, we people say vaccine failure or insufficient vaccine immunity.
Right.
So that 14-15 days pet need for the particular disease.
Correct. Correct.
So if it is a stray also, we request the people ki if it is a breeder, they should go for the puppy DP or any brand puppy DP
Right.
vaccination at the 30 days, which is most important.
Okay.
One.
Okay.
Second thing, someone is stray are there on the road, so people they are not aware कि they vaccine लगता है क्यों? Because
Right.
they stray they survive.
Yeah.
It is
yeah.
it is not like that because the stray dog भी बाहर बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं.
जी.
But when we find the grown up, so out of the 10 puppies, hardly one puppy can survive.
Right.
Most of the died in early age due to viral diseases,
Correct.
food toxicity, road
Yeah.
accidents,
Yeah.
and who can save themselves, they only survive,
Right.
which is very less number.
Absolutely.
So when we are getting any puppy from the stray also, if it is less than 45 days, go for the first vaccine, that's a puppy DP vaccine.
Okay.
And after that, they can go for the core vaccine as their veterinarian suggest.
राइट और ये भी बोलते हैं बहुत सारे वेट्स कि व्हेन यू गेट अ पपी एट होम उसको पहले 40 या 45 दिन बाहर नहीं रख सकते हैं मतलब बाहर नहीं लेके जा सकते हैं. इज दैट ट्रू और ऐसा क्यों होता है?
No, the thing is that जब 45 डेज तक के पपी का इम्यूनिटी उतना अच्छा नहीं होता.
Okay.
दे आर ऑन द मदर मिल्क.
राइट.
इम्यूनिटी अच्छा नहीं होने के कारण इफ दे कम अक्रॉस विद एनी टाइप ऑफ इम्यून सप्रेशन,
Right.
दे कैन go with the viral infections. We
Right.
want to save the puppies from viral infection.
Right.
बाहर लेके नहीं जाना ऐसा नहीं है, but in the environment there are n number of viruses are there.
Right.
Accidentally, if your puppy come across any virus as like
Yeah.
canine corona, as
Yeah.
like parvo, and puppies are under immune suppression, they can catch the disease. So
Okay.
once they get vaccinated,
Yeah.
they are more safer.
ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट करंट सिचुएशन. बारिश हो रही है, मानसून का वक्त है, इसमें पेट मैनेजमेंट कैसे करें? हाउ डज अ पेट पेरेंट लुक आफ्टर देयर डॉग? वी कांट टेक देम आउट फॉर रेगुलर वॉक्स. क्या होता है इसमें?
See, इसमें सबसे मेजर इशू होता है पेट्स का कि बाहर जाने के बाद में गीले हो जाते हैं, भीग
जी.
जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर द फरी एनिमल्स.
यस.
तो ड्यू टू फर दे एडेड मॉइस्चर, गीले हो गए तो देन ड्राई अप नहीं होता. तो
Yeah.
ड्यू टू दैट दे डेवलप सो मेनी स्किन इन्फेक्शंस.
राइट.
So when you get a puppy out, take it in towel right.
Right.
Completely. That is more important.
करेक्ट.
बारिश के दिनों में they get the moisture, mud from the paws. So
Right.
they develop the paws diseases. So
Ah.
always paw hygiene is very important when you are getting the puppy
Correct.
from outside after walk.
राइट.
Third thing about in this season we are more for the ectoplasmics and fleas. So
Okay.
you should be very careful when you are taking dog from out to in.
हाँ.
The paws should not catch any tick. Or
Correct.
you should go for a prevention care for the ticks in the dogs.
Right.
Because so many tick-borne diseases also there,
Yes.
which transfer from the ticks we carry from the outside.
या.
And the third and fourth important thing about the nutrition.
या.
So nutritious food is required in this season because this is a season have the more immune suppression is there,
Right.
more viral disease as
Right.
like in humans also.
Correct, correct,
So
correct.
clean water and nutritious food,
राइट.
which is very important.
अब न्यूट्रिशियस फूड की बात हो ही रही है, तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फूड अँड न्यूट्रिशन इन पेट्स. असं आपण म्हणजे आम्ही जेव्हा लहान होतो तेव्हा आमच्या मामांच्या घरी वगैरे जेव्हा कुत्रे पाळायचे तेव्हा त्यांना दूध चपाती द्यायचे लोक. त्यांना काही द्यायचं, त्यांना व्हायचं नाही काही. आत्ता सध्या तरी हे असं वाटतंय की जे पेट्स येत आहेत, भरपूर ॲलर्जीज, द न्यूट्रिशन पार्ट ऑफ अ पेट हॅज बिकम फार मोर इंटेन्स आय फील. असं का आहे? पूर्वीचे और वॉज इट ऑलवेज लाईक दिस? आम्हालाच
No,
असं
हाँ.
वाटायचं की
नहीं इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड क्वेश्चन बिकॉज नाव द पीपल हम लोग आमच्याकडे खूप लोक येतात आणि सांगतात
बरोबर.
आम्हाला की सर आमच्याकडे डॉग असताना काहीच नव्हतं, आता नाव हे खूप
बरोबर.
सारे बदल झालेला आहे,
हो.
इतके सारे औषध असतात आणि हे
बरोबर.
का असतात. तर रिझन इज दॅट की पूर्वी जे होता दॅट डिसीज आर देअर,
बरोबर.
ओनली देअर वर नो डायग्नोस्टिक टूल्स.
बर.
पूर्वी जेव्हा आपल्याकडे डॉग होते त्यांना जर केस गळत होते वी कन्सिडर नॉर्मल.
बरोबर.
पूर्वी जेव्हा डॉग होते दे आर आउटसाइड द होम, तो केस
Right.
पडले तरी नो वन कॅन बॉदर अबाउट दॅट.
बरोबर.
तर
बरोबर.
नाव पूर्वी केस पडायचे, ॲलर्जी असेल तर वी कॅन नो की भाई ॲलर्जी आहे, इन्फेक्शन आहे, वॉट एव्हर इट इज.
बरोबर.
वी इग्नोर द थिंग और अननोईंगली वी इग्नोर द थिंग बिकॉज काही करायची गरज आहे.
बरोबर.
बट
बरोबर.
आता नाव द पीपल गेट अँड द फील्ड गेट मोर डेव्हलप्ड.
या.
नाव वी कम टू नो की भाई स्किन इन्फेक्शन आहे, इट इज अ इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज आहे, इट
Yeah.
इज अ न्यूट्रिशनल डिफिशियन्सी डिसीज आहे, और इट इज ऑटोइम्यून डिसऑर्डर आहे, और समथिंग वॉट एव्हर इट
Right.
इज. तो सो मेनी डायग्नोस्टिक टूल्स आर अवेलेबल.
Correct.
So now we come to know कि this is the infection due to the ticks or fleas.
तेव्हा
The-
कळत नव्हतं, आता कळतं.
हाँ, so diagnostic tool has developed. That's why
बरोबर.
we come to know.
या.
And now when we come to know the disease, the treatment part come. When
Yeah.
the treatment part come, so everything say कि treatment part cost. So that's why everyone say कि why it is.
हो.
So it is not that if have the pet, if have the
बरोबर.
family member, the disease
बरोबर.
diagnosed, we have to treat it.
बरोबर. बरोबर. न्यूट्रिशनमध्ये मला सांगा, किती पॅकेज्ड फूड आपण देऊ शकतो आणि किती घरचं द्यायला पाहिजे? तुमच्याप्रमाणे काय असायला पाहिजे शेड्यूल एका
See,
पेटचं?
there is no straight formula कि why you need the packaged food, why not the home food.
बरोबर.
Important is that pet has the required nutrition of protein,
Right.
calories and micronutrients.
राईट.
If you have time and that you can cook the chicken, you cook mutton, whatever it is,
Yeah.
and rice, and you can give it.
बरोबर.
But if you have the time not there, so you are using the only chicken someday, only rice someday,
बरोबर.
only some people have only bhakri someday, or some people they give milk only.
Yeah.
So it is not balanced that.
Yeah.
Whatever it should be balanced. If they have
बरोबर.
no time, they go for dog food.
Yeah.
If they have time, they like to enjoy the home food.
Yeah.
They can give that.
Correct.
So only the protein ratio, calories ratio has to be maintained.
राईट.
If they are on the home food, we suggest them go for the micronutrients, which
Okay.
is not in the cooked food, most of the evaporated.
राईट.
So they have to add the micronutrients in that.
Yes.
If it is dog food, then it can it's a balanced one.
राईट. ॲब्सल्युटली. जरा आता सिनियर पेट्स बद्दल बोलूयात. परत एकदा मी म्हणते की आपण जेव्हा लहान होतो तेव्हा आय फील लाईक द लाईफ ऑफ अ पेट यूज टू बी लॉंगर. आता सध्या तरी आय फील लाईक खूप लवकर आपल्याला डिझिजेस आयडेंटिफाय होत आहेत, पण ते डिझिजेस पण ऑफकोर्स लाईक वी सेड की तेव्हा कळायचं नाही, आता कळतं आहे. पण तुम्हाला पण जाणवतं आहे का की द लाईफ स्पॅन ऑफ अ पेट इन टुडेज टाईम कम्पेअर्ड टू वेन वी वर यंगर is different, is more, is less? What is your study of the whole situation?
See, main thing about if you consider only as a lifestyle, as a one individual.
Yeah.
Yeah. If the pets are outside, they get a good exercise.
Right.
Nutritious food in the low fat exercise is very important.
Right.
So at that time they are outside, they are getting good exercise. That's why we say
Barabar.
कि so many senile disease or lifestyle disease we can consider is
right.
less before.
Yeah.
Now the pets are as like they come in the small confined area of 1000 square foot, 2000 square foot.
Yeah.
And they walk there only. Sometimes they go for walk for hardly a kilometer.
Barabar.
They pass their urine motion and they come back.
Barabar.
So definitely the physical exercise has reduced.
Right.
Which is one of the cause for the so many internal diseases.
Okay.
One thing is that.
Okay.
Second reason is that ki before, as like some talk as an organ,
Yeah.
all organ has their own life.
Yeah.
So as like kidney disease, liver
Barabar.
disease,
हाँ.
some organ related diseases are not that because God has given that ki organ take his all effort to give the life.
Yeah.
When it give up,
Yeah.
then the clinical sign starts. As
Correct.
like kidney, we find the cases, pets are suffering for the kidneys for 3 year, 4 year, 5, no one can notice.
Right.
And when they start the clinical sign, it is sometimes it is beyond the repair.
Yeah.
And now the till to someone come to us and say now my pet is 7 years. So
Right.
I suggest all the pet parents after the 7 year age, before if there is issue definitely they go for blood test.
Right.
But if the pet is not have any issue also, they
Yeah.
can go for routine blood check as an
Okay.
organ check. We say
Right.
कि kidney disease, liver disease.
हे किती रेग्युलरली करायला पाहिजे?
We say कि 7 to 10 year every yearly and 10 year plus every 6 monthly.
Okay.
Because organ can deteriorate slowly.
Right.
So we can say 6 months is a good time to diagnose the subclinical deterioration of the
Right,
organ. So
right.
if some pet is developing the disease after 6 months,
Yeah.
if we come to know now, so we can start some supplementation or treatment which
Right.
give the healthy life to the pet or which help to
Absolutely.
increase the life of the pet.
करेक्ट ॲब्सोल्युटली. मला विचारायचं होतं की हे जे ट्रीटमेंट्स तुम्ही करताय सध्या तरी, व्हॉट आर द डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोसिजर्स और सध्या तरी टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये what are the different kind of advancement in technologies that have happened right now when it comes to pet treatment, pet disease ka treatments?
See, as like the disease के treatment में, if as an infectious disease,
Yeah.
if you consider the viral diseases.
Yeah.
So before viral diseases we access only by clinical signs.
Yeah.
Then one time come by the let's say कि blood analyzer, CBC, LFT, KFT, we come to know कि which organ, which disease is there.
Right.
So that for showing this symptom in the biochemical level also take his own time.
Yeah.
So before the changes in the organ or functioning,
Yeah.
we can come by the SNAP test or marker tests are available.
Right, right.
So those are the preclinical diagnosis tests are available.
Right.
So which go for early diagnosis as like in monsoon. So many people they come up the first day before, if I consider the before 20 years.
Yeah.
20 वर्ष अगोदर आमच्याकडे लोक यायचे ते की डॉग खाना नहीं खा रहा है. The first complaint as a owner they when
Not
they
eating.
got know कि when the pet stop eating,
Yeah.
stop walking properly,
Yeah.
lose motion and vomition. These are the 4 things pet owner they know.
Yeah.
So that is already too late. As like in human, we not only everyone go with the ambulance to the hospital.
Correct.
Walking,
correct.
doing his job also we are
Yeah.
feeling ill.
Yeah.
तो when to go to doctor and doctor say कि it's a fever है, खाना नहीं खा रहा हूँ, तो before 20 years what we give, we use symptomatic treatment.
Correct.
We say कि observe for 2-3 days.
Yeah.
If it is not responding or deteriorating or what signs is developing, we start the treatment.
Okay.
But now someone come to us and they're not eating, so then we say go use the SNAP test as a very specific.
Yeah.
Clinically we think is a more or less parvo, more or less distemper, more or less corona. So
Okay.
as we decide which test we want to do,
Okay.
and we do the test.
Okay.
So symptom going to showing after 4 days or 5 days
Okay.
is subclinically diagnosed.
All
We
right.
start the treatment. So before deteriorating, we start the treatment. That's why the success rate is very good.
राईट, क्या बात आहे. सो फार ऑफकोर्स आपण पपीज बद्दल बोलत होतो. आय वॉन्ट टू टॉक अ लिटल बिट मोर अबाउट कॅट्स अँड किटन्स. ह्यांचं हेल्थ केअर वेगळं असतं का इन कम्पॅरिझन टू अ डॉग? कारण आय हॅव नेवर सीन एनीबडी टेक दॅट कॅट आउट फॉर अ वॉक. आय हॅव नेवर सीन जितका आपण पपीज किंवा वेन वी गेट अ डॉग होम द फस इज अ लॉट. मोस्ट पीपल थिंक की कॅट आय नीड अ पेट बट आय वॉन्ट लो मेंटेनन्स, आपण कॅट घेऊन येऊया. हे खरं आहे का? इज दिस
No, same thing ऐसा कि as like before 20 years are still in the rurals,
Yeah.
they say कि dog को कुछ नहीं होता.
बरोबर.
तो as like right now we are in that stage कि cat को कुछ नहीं होता.
हाँ.
But it's not like that. Cat को भी
Correct.
होता है.
हाँ.
तो cat also need the proper maintenance.
Correct.
Cat also need the vaccination.
Right.
And cat also suffer with the viral diseases.
Okay.
तो so many cases we find कि भाई cats को वैक्सीन नहीं करने के कारण
हाँ.
still we are in that condition कि we lose the cat in n numbers.
Right.
तो people awareness के लिए अभी और जरूरत है in the cats.
Right.
तो if someone has the only cat has a low maintenance because she not need you to go for walk.
Correct.
But it need a cozy place at home.
Yeah.
It need to go for more grooming than the dog for the hairs.
Oh.
Otherwise, they groom themselves. If you are not going to groom, they
Correct.
groom themselves and they develop the hairball disease or other diseases.
Oh.
So that is more important.
So
About the
grooming is more
nutrition,
important.
quantity wise, they really need less.
Yeah.
But it nutrition needed to them also.
Ah,
Third thing is ectoplasm, as like ticks and fleas,
Correct.
they also have that
Correct.
need to take care.
Yeah.
Fourth thing about vaccination का maintenance नहीं होता या डॉक्टर का maintenance नहीं होता,
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं है. Basically cats are the animal, they hide their pain, not show the symptoms
Oh.
early.
Correct.
So that's why they need more care of the veterinarians.
Correct,
So
correct,
they should
correct.
go immediately to the veterinarian because
Correct.
virals are really less responsive or need long time to respond.
Right. Right.
तो उन्हें भी होता
Wow.
है.
जरा अपने एक्सपीरियंस में बताइए, यू नो, द काइंड ऑफ पेट्स यू ट्रीटेड इन द पास्ट. ऑफ कोर्स डॉग्स और कैट्स तो हैं ही, पर हमारे पुणेकर्स और क्या क्या पेट्स रखते हैं? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ हैव यू हैड डिफरेंट हैमस्टर्स, गिनी पिग्स, ये
Yeah, yeah.
सारे?
पहले बात तो है कि वी आर डीलिंग मोस्टली नाउ विद द डॉग्स एंड कैट्स.
Right.
बट वी कम अक्रॉस द केसेस ऑफ द हैमस्टर. आपने बोला गिनी
हाँ.
पिग, माइस इज देयर,
Oh.
बर्ड आर देयर, लव बर्ड आर देयर,
Really?
कोकोटल्स आर देयर.
तो बर्ड्स का कैसे करते हैं ट्रीटमेंट?
सी बर्ड्स में बर्ड, fish and turtle
Yeah.
has a more management part.
Oh.
If you have good management,
Yeah.
then it responds because we can't give the injections or more injections in those animals.
Correct.
So that's why the medicine management is there,
Okay.
food management is there.
Right.
So that's all.
Right. Oh my God, क्या बात है. But you know, I just wanted to know कि let's talk more about your profession, doctor. अगर किसी को veterinarian बनना है, of course definitely has to be very passionate about animals, वरना
नहीं
कोई
होगा
ये फील्ड में आ ही नहीं सकता है. But what is the you think? Of course, जितने लोग आजकल पेट्स ले रहे हैं, I feel like it's a very bright future for vets, है कि नहीं?
In any field, if you have some attraction to the particular field, you develop very good.
Right.
तो अगर मुझे लगता है कि I want to become a vet,
हाँ.
या मुझे मेरे बच्चे को लगता है कि he had a good affection towards the pet,
Yeah.
then he will be a good veterinarian.
Right.
ओनली मुझे पापा ने भेज दिया है, मुझे मेडिकल में एडमिशन मिला है, तो दीज
हाँ.
आर नॉट रियली द गुड वेटनरियंस.
Correct.
एंड टू बिकम अ वेट देयर इज ओनली महाराष्ट्र, दे हैव द ओनली गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस.
Yeah.
नीट हैज टू क्लियर. आफ्टर
Correct.
नीट ओनली दे गेट द एडमिशन.
Correct.
तो एवरीथिंग कैन बी थी, ओनली compensation is very important.
Yeah, compassion is super important. Doctor, thank you so much for being part of Petopia. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, और हम आपको बुलाते रहेंगे Petopia.
thank
एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये शो नया है, जैसे जैसे हमारे लिसनर्स की तरफ से सवाल आएंगे वैसे वैसे हम आपसे पूछेंगे, एंड वील कंटिन्यू टू हैव यू ऑन द शो.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
सुनते
you.
रहिए फीवर 94.3 Petopia ऑन फीवर ब्रेकफास्ट शो एवरी सैटरडे बिटवीन 9 and 11. सुबह सुन लीजिएगा जरूर. मैं हूँ RJ मीनल and you're listening to the most happening radio station in Pune, Fever 94.3.